Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and set up OBS Studio for recording. This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your OBS Studio as an administrator. Once you've done that, since we are looking into recording settings, I'm going to simply go ahead and take you to settings first right over here. And now you want to simply go ahead and click to output, and this is where your recording setting is. So there's two things you can do. Either you can go ahead and click on recording quality and simply go ahead and go to high quality medium size, or indistinguishable quality and large file, or lossless quality or tremendously large file. You can go ahead and do that. The best way I prefer you go ahead and do it is by clicking on same as stream, and we're going to go ahead and play around with our streaming settings now. So let's go into advanced settings and go ahead and click on recording. As you can see, we're right over here. So recording format is going to be hybrid MP4. Use encoder, simply go ahead and use your NVIDIA NVENC H.264. And on audio import, on your audio encoder, you can use anything you want to. On encoder settings, go to constant bitrate and use constant bitrate and not variable bitrate. So just that's there. And for tuning, you can go ahead with high quality. For this, you can go with the best quality presets. And then on bitrate, you can use anywhere up to 10,000 to 15,000 depending on your computer. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.